did.
How much?
I wasn't really paying attention, dude. I was just going. I really didn't want to fucking crash. Honestly. That was like the main thing.
Was the first one a fair race? You guys both went at the same time?
No, not the first time, no. It's all the other times, yeah.
Oh, you raced more than one?
Yeah,
I mean, more than
two
twice?
more times, yeah.
Oh, shit.
You beat him?
Yeah.
How bad?
Probably about, I would say, car and a half, maybe 2. I don't want to stretch, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to say car and a half.
You guys are pretty even then?
Oh, us two?
Oh,
No.
hell no.
Hell no. That's instant gas.
No, that's instant gas.
That's crazy. Because you walked his shit.
What?
I door.
Who's done to that one? It's
Stop.
that blue one.
The blue one?
Yeah.
That shit's fast.
I know.
Nah, I was like right there, like the first time we're literally like, I was like what, maybe 3 cars, 4 cars, whatever the fuck behind you. And we just kept going for no reason, but second time I was ahead of him because I guess they were brake boosting, but then he passed me, top end. It was good though.
So you guys saw this?
Hell yeah, it's all about fun runs,
My car
man.
was ready.
Yeah, I still got some upgrades to do though, man. I can't wait till a full bolt time. That shit's gonna be fucking insane.
I'll do my car.
Oh, really?
A week.
Fuck is it?
I hate that shit. You can never find that shit when you want to.
Yeah, no.
She be scrolling up and down.
Yeah, that's my car. This is the one I have right now.
Oh, nice.
So, it's a little built, but this is against, I'll show you a little video. So, have you gone to, do you know who SR is?
Who?
SR?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. I went to their rally night. You should go. They're having a midnight run pretty soon.
Oh, nice.
So this is against a full bolt on
Camaro.
E85 Camaro, full
That's
drive
the 8
pack.
speed?
No, he's,
Or manual?
yeah.
And that's in the Mustang?
Yeah.
That shit's nice. That shit. What year is that one?
Mine's a 2011.
That shit's crazy,
And this
dude.
is against the, I think it's a Z01 and then a Hellcat on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually surprised that Hellcat picked the Z01.
Damn, that's loud.
I had a SRT4. I've had like 5 of
Oh,
those.
nice.
I had a
Oh,
600.
the neons?
Yeah.
Really? Fuck. 600? That shit's a light.
This is my Nova.
Nice.
Like, my homie, he bought this car. Easy. And then he fucking blew it up. So then we ended up buying a fucking parts car.
Oh, nice.
Took it to my house. And then I swapped motors for him.
Oh, really? You know how to do all that shit?
It's just part of the fun, dude. That's all
Yeah.
it is.
I want to learn. That shit's cool. It's interesting as fuck.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's pretty dope. Fun.
Whoa, what the fuck is that?
Yeah. But then this was another neon I bought. And then before I was done
2
with
black, one white. You got
it, I had
another
a yellow
one?
one.
Yellow one?
I had a red one.
I got fucking gapped by a red one.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was a while ago, but yeah.
And then this is how I ended up looking once I was done with it.
Nice. That's cool. I didn't even know. Before I even got my car, I didn't even know that there was an SRT4. I really did not
Those
know.
things, you
That
should
shit's
get one as a
crazy.
side project, bro. Those things
Probably.
are fun.
Hell yeah, they look fun.
Hell yeah.
You think you can help me fit a R8 engine in that?
R8 engine? Why would you waste that money? Because that's stupid. Engine wise.
Oh, yeah.
You still gotta do training, you still gotta do wiring harness, you still gotta do computer. You gotta do all
Damn,
that
that's like a
stuff.
whole car.
But at that point, just get an R8.
It'd be fun to gas it.
Yeah, that'd be like, what the, that would be tight though.
The R8 engine with fucking A7.
No one would expect that. Literally no one.
No,
Because it's a waste of money.
Yeah.
I want to do it.
Oh, shit. That shit's nice.
Yeah. 4. Yeah. It's like 42, 43.
No fucking interior in it.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Oh.
It helps a little bit.
Surprisingly, these are heavier than my car, which is fucking insane to me.
Well, it's full-blown family sedan with leather. Yeah, leather interior. But
You know what it is though? The back seats are fucking like weights.
Yeah.
Because they're heated in the back too. That shit's fucking
That's
crazy.
that fancy shit, huh?
Yeah.
it's probably gonna be like 200 pounds that you just took out right there.
I see that shit.
Turbo Hellion.
God damn.
That's the truth.
That shit's fucking crazy. How much horsepower?
I'm not sure to be honest, but I know it's.
Getting up there? Hell yeah.
He's one of those ones where he won't. His numbers are non-disclosed.
Mm-hmm.
So he does.
He's just fast.
Like money runs. So
Okay.
He gets down and he does digs and shit. So it's one of those.
Need that shit. Fuck. Imagine stock wheels.
I know.
They're just fucking.
That shit would be crazy.
I want to race another Audi.
What did they say? Why don't you be like a S5? Copyright.